If you're looking to enhance your Fortnite experience by adjusting the graphics settings, follow these simple steps to enable and optimize them for better performance. Step 1. Launch Fortnite. Open the Fortnite application on your device. Wait for the game to load to the main menu before proceeding to the settings. Step 2. Access the settings menu. Once in the main menu, locate the 3 horizontal lines in the top right corner of the screen. Click on this icon to open the settings menu. Step 3. Navigate to the graphics settings. In the settings menu, find the tab labeled graphics or video. Click on this tab to access the graphics settings options available for your game. Step 4. Adjust graphics options. Within the graphics settings, you will see various options such as resolution, frame rate limit, and quality presets. Adjust these settings according to your preferences and the capabilities of your device. Higher settings may improve visuals but could affect performance. Step 5. Save and apply changes. After making your adjustments, look for the Apply or Save button at the bottom of the settings menu. Click this button to ensure your new graphics settings take effect before you start playing. By following these steps, you can easily enable and customize the graphics settings in Fortnite for a better gaming experience. Enjoy your game.